Hello guys, welcome back. Just in, BBC, Binance CEO, others affirmed Pi network value. The English most popular news company, British Broadcasting Corporation, BBC, Binance Chief Executive Officer, CEO, Mr. Changpeng Zhao, CZ, and South Korean TV station NBN TV surprisingly affirmed that Pi network has unbeatable value. Binance CEO's affirmative words. Speaking during a virtual interview, the Binance founder said in confidence that a project with large number of users has value, which he referred to it as utility value. If a project or something has a large number of users, it has value, so that's utility value. So if a project has millions of users, we want those users. Changpeng Zhao wasn't directly referring to Pi network, but based on his predefined objective, Pi network must definitely be top on the list of projects he may look out for soon, because the description of his interest surely fits what Pi network has, and he will definitely key into the project soon. Changpeng Zhao, normally known as CZ, is a Chinese-Canadian business chief. Zhao is the founder and president of Binance, the world's biggest cryptographic currency trade-by-trading volume as of July 2022. CZ hails from Jiangsu, China, and moved to Canada at a very early period in his life with his family. He is currently based in Singapore. BBC televised Pi network. Journalist speaks on the need to reserve Pi. BBC Hausa, a subsidiary of the British Broadcasting Corporation, BBC, televised a TV program, Understanding Pi Network and the Blockchain, anchored by a Nigerian crypto expert, Mr. Adamu Abubakar. Adamu explained in detail what Pi Network is all about and the need for pioneers to reserve their Pi, most especially at this early stage of barter. He recounted his experience when he invested in Bitcoin during the stagnant beginning of the crypto market in 2012. Little did he know that Bitcoin would become a sort-for crypto asset in the near future, so he sold his Bitcoin few months after purchasing it. He, however, specifically advised pioneers to reduce their long-term goals on Pi network, that he cannot tell if Pi network would fail or succeed, but based on its numerous users, Pi network has a brighter tomorrow. South Korean TV station, NBN, televised Pi network. A South Korean TV station, NBN TV, has also joined the list of the media houses that believes Pi network has value. The hosts defined Pi network, explained the various stages of mining as beginner, being migrated to the mainnet, and how KYC verification is also done. All Mining Update believes Pi network will soon overthrow the world's #1 crypto, the Bitcoin. In case you are not aware, Pi network is a platform where you can mine cryptocurrency from your Android. The main advantage is that you can do so without using resources and without worrying about having to be constantly checking the app. You just have to start the process once per day for the Pi counter to keep going up. With Pi network, you have a really simple interface that lets you mine coins easily. On the bar on the right-hand side, there is a button you can press to start the mining process. Bear in mind that the rate at which the coins are produced depends on the number of users registered with your affiliate code. Thanks for watching. Hello guys, welcome back. FTX exposes $8.7 billion. Debt, Pi network sees opportunity to redefine cryptocurrency trust. FTX, a well-known cryptocurrency exchange, faces severe scrutiny as allegations emerge that the platform owes a substantial $8.7 billion to its customers. Reports suggest that the exchange, since the inception of its operations, has misused and commingled customer deposits, leaving investors grappling with financial uncertainty. The revelation of FTX's mismanagement of customer funds has sparked outrage within the cryptocurrency community, prompting demands for accountability. Customers, who entrusted the exchange with the secure custody of their assets, now find themselves confronted with a significant financial setback. Amidst the controversy surrounding FTX, Pi Network, a decentralized cryptocurrency project, perceives an opportunity to differentiate itself from traditional exchanges and offer a more secure alternative for investors. In light of the failure of FTX and similar platforms, Pi Network aims to outperform by prioritizing the security and integrity of user funds. Pi Network's distinctive approach to decentralized finance and its user-centric ecosystem places a strong emphasis on safeguarding user assets. Utilizing blockchain technology and smart contracts, Pi Network minimizes the risk of fund mismanagement and commingling. This strategy aligns with the core principles of trust, transparency, and security fundamental to the cryptocurrency industry. While the debt revelation of FTX has shaken customer trust, Pi Network seeks to capitalize on the situation by providing a more reliable and secure platform. Pi Network's focus on user empowerment, inclusivity, and accessibility aims to offer a refreshing alternative for cryptocurrency enthusiasts. It is crucial to note that the alleged $8.7 billion debt owed by FTX is subject to verification and legal proceedings. The precise impact on affected customers and the overall cryptocurrency market remains uncertain. However, this incident serves as a stark reminder of the risks associated with centralized exchanges and underscores the need for decentralized solutions, prioritizing user protection. As Pi Network continues to evolve and expand its ecosystem, it strives to build a robust and trustworthy platform that upholds the highest standards of security. By leveraging the failure of FTX and other exchanges, Pi Network seeks to gain the trust of users seeking. While challenges may arise, the project's dedication to transparency and user trust positions it for success in the dynamic world of cryptocurrency. Stay tuned to ALL-MINIG Update for the latest updates on Pi Network and other developments in the crypto space. Thanks for watching.